friends. All right, this week in our poetry unit, we're going to be working on a haiku. That is a Japanese form of poetry. It's a very simple format. They're all the same, and we're going to go into that in a minute. These poems usually don't rhyme. There are 3 lines. Each line has a certain form, and the form we use is syllables. Now remember, syllables are just counting the vowel sounds in a word. So if we had a word like open, every time my chin drops when I say the word is a vowel sound. Chin drops on a vowel sound, and I count those. So I'm going to go O-pen, O-pen, 2 syllables. Now, if you don't want to sit here with your chin or your hand on your chin, you can always count them out. O-pen, all right? Or remember how we chunked them when we used to sit together on the carpet on the floor, okay? Kind of like how we put our cupcakes together, cup, cake, okay? Stuff like that. But the easiest part to remember is that we are counting vowel sounds. We're not counting letters. We're not counting how many words are in a sentence. We're counting how many syllables there are, okay? So a haiku is going to be the same each line. So line 1, let me make sure you can see that. Okay, line 1 is always 5 syllables. It does not matter what words you put in here or if it's a sentence. It is okay, it is up to you, as long as there are 5 syllables only. Okay, line 2, 7 syllables in this line, okay? And then line 3 is another 5 syllables. Now, Japanese haikus are normally about nature. They're usually about seasons or weather changing or things that just make you think about nature, okay? So what we're gonna work on this week is thinking about Oregon. We live in the state of Oregon, okay? And I want you guys to be thinking about what words or what sentences could you think of that help you describe Oregon. They have to fit into line 1, 5 syllables, line 2, 7 syllables, line 3, 5 syllables. It could be just as simple as you writing down your words that you think of. So when I think of Oregon, I think of rain and sunshine. I think of both. We do have some sun in the summer, but I think of rain, okay? So I would write those down and I would count them out. Rain and sunshine. Uh-oh, how many syllables do I have? 4. Okay, I gotta get 5. So either I change my words or add another word. Rain. Ooh, how about rain drops, drops. Rain drops and sunshine. What do I have? I have 5 friends. So my first line is going to be raindrops and sunshine. Super easy, okay? My title of my poem, we're all gonna have the same title. The title is going to be Oregon, because we are writing about this big, beautiful state that we live in, okay? So raindrops and sunshine, okay? That's my first line. Line 1, 5 syllables. Now I'm gonna just go on to the next one, and I'm just gonna count them out. 5, 6, 7. Oh, and then I might have to erase, okay? This is why I included this sheet. This is your haiku poem. Make sure you put your title, Oregon, and your author, your name, and then use a pencil. Because sometimes with haiku writing, because we're counting syllables, and they don't have to rhyme, remember that, okay? These don't have to rhyme. When we're counting syllables, we might have to erase and add things in, okay? So this is your rough draft, sloppy copy. Fill it out as best you can. Be thinking about what describes Oregon. What words do you think of as soon as you hear Oregon? It's where you live, might be your hometown, where you were born. You could love the weather, you could love the seasons, maybe you love all the fruits and vegetables and the orchards, the farming. There's so many things you could write about, friends. Okay, this is your sloppy copy. When you're done with your sloppy copy, when this is all done, you're gonna write this onto the Oregon-shaped construction paper I included, okay? The Oregon-shaped construction paper is your final draft, all right? So it's in the shape of our state, and you're gonna just take this and write it on that, all right? Okay, good luck, friends. Have fun with this. It doesn't have to rhyme other than having 5 syllables, 7 syllables, 5 syllables. That's the only rule you have to stick with. So have fun with it, enjoy it. For this one, please do not type your final draft onto a Google Doc. I want to see it written on the Oregon states that I punched out for you. All right, you guys are gonna do great. Until next time, bye.